This interview is brought to you by APB, Broadcast Asia 2017 and Ideal Systems.
So I think that what we're seeing today is an expansion of opportunities and choices for broadcasters. We have our traditional SDI and baseband environments that we've been using for decades now. IP really gives you another suite of tools that you can be able to use to move data around both inside of your facility as well as around the world. The global market, of IT is really designed around an IP network, and the traditional television network needs to and must move into that space eventually. But it's not something we're going to have to do all at once. And APAC, Asia Pacific will be able to do that in their own time and in their own way, really being able to pick the best tools possible and making a very studied and a very methodical transition over into the IP world. But they're going to need to start it now because over the next several years it's going to be becoming more and more a requirement rather than an option. I think that the biggest challenges, you could say, what are the success factors? What are the challenges for moving to IP is protecting your existing infrastructure so that you can continue to be able to produce high quality content while at the same time future-proofing your new purchases. You have existing facilities and existing equipment, and there's no reason to simply throw that out today and buy all new equipment for it. But when you do make decisions on what you're going to buy, you need things that absolutely have that future capability to work natively in an IP environment. Whether that's your switchers, your routers, any type of converters that you have, being able to take advantage of next generation codecs, next generation protocols that are going to be out there to be able to move things around, again, inside of the facility or from facility to facility, more and more cross-border, cross-continent around the world. That's going to be critical for you when you are making those purchase decisions. The options are increasing, and your ability to work in a pure IP environment is becoming more and more possible. But as a broadcaster, we do understand that the level of quality that we set for ourselves and the content that we create means that we can't simply move into an entirely new space of tools. We need those tools to be tested, reliable, and proven before we're willing to make a full shift.
This copyrighted video of the Broadcast IP Interop Lab may not be reproduced or redistributed in any form without the expressed written consent of EdTech International Private Limited.